How to fix driver power state failure stop error on Windows. 1. Reinstall or update driver for display adapter or network adapter, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Turn off power saving mode in your wireless adapter setting. Restart your PC. 3. Enter Windows Safe Mode so you can uninstall newly added drivers or third-party software. 4. Run 2 commands as admin. dism/online/cleanup image/restore health sfc/scan05. Remove external hardware. 6. Refresh your Windows PC. 7. Disable turn off fast startup, recommended, sleep, and hibernate options in control panel. 8. Change Windows power plan settings. 8.1 Set never to both sleep and hibernation. 8.2 Set do nothing. To power buttons and lit in advanced power settings. 9. Disable or remove your antivirus software. 10. Revert your graphics card drivers to the older version. 11. For NVIDIA control panel. Users, set preferred graphics processor for dedicated graphics card and select prefer maximum performance for power management mode.